The coronavirus pandemic and resulting lockdown has put immense pressure on people and families all over the world. There's been an increase in reports of domestic abuse and domestic violence, and if this is something that you've been affected by, I want you to know that you are not alone, and that here in Wales we have some excellent help and support available that you can access by calling the Live Fear Free helpline on 0808 80 10 800. It's completely free to call. You can call 24 hours a day, and anything you say will be treated in confidence. If it's difficult to make a phone call for whatever reason, there's also a web chat facility, and you can communicate by text message. And you can find out how to do that on the Welsh Women's Aid website. If you'd like to support the work of Welsh Women's Aid, you can also find out how to donate via their site. You can do with your support now more than ever. Thank you for listening. Take care.